Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to change dimension units. So as example, I will create a rectangle with dimension 20 and 20, press enter. Now you can use dimlin to create a dimension linear from this corner into here. Now if you want to change the dimension unit, you can type D, press enter to open the dimension style manager, and then you can click edit, go to primary units, and in there you can change for the dimension units by using the format option. Okay, you can click drop down menu, like I will set into architectural, and then you can click OK. The dimension units will be automatically changed. Okay, you can click edit again, go to primary units, and then you can change the format in here. Okay, that's it for a basic REST commander tutorial, how to change dimensions units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.